We can see a list has been generated with all the relevant details, and in the tracer we can check that the background prompt has been generated. Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of the Connect Generative AI series. In part 1 we explored the structured single response. If you haven't checked that yet, please check out the link in the description below. In this video, we'll extend our POC to explore the structured list response. Previously, we mapped the AI response to the movie details page. Now, suppose we want to map the response to a page list property. For this, write the prompt first. We want a list of movies released in a particular year, which we will enter on the UI. We are done with the prompt. Next, select the page list property and all the properties inside the page list. So, we want the movie name, summary, director and trailer link in these properties to be mapped to each page. That's it, we are all done. Now invoke this connector from an activity or smart shape, whichever you want. In part 1, you can check out all these configuration details. We'll skip that part here. Let's directly go to the UI and create a case. We can see a list has been generated with all the relevant details, and in the tracer we can check that the background prompt has been generated. In the backend, Pega has created a JSON array format which is sent as part of this prompt. As a result, in the response we are getting a list of movies generated in the same JSON format which got mapped to the movie list page list property. Let's have a quick look at the clipboard. We can see the movie list, page list and 3 pages with all those single properties. Let's take another example. We want generative AI to suggest a list of personas for an application. Okay, we are done with the prompt. Now add the page list and the single properties. We can now invoke the connector and see the response. So it is giving us a list of personas and their descriptions which are applicable to credit card applications. That's all about structured list. Now we can check the last one, unstructured response. There is no response format for this. When you want to use the response as is or have a custom complex response structure, you can parse the response on your own and map it to the clipboard into your desired structure. Let's quickly check an example. Suppose we want to generate a description for a person type in our application. So the response is generated in the persona description property. Suppose in another example, we want generative AI to write an email for our credit card application. Or we want it to summarize a case history. I have given the case history in PY note, and it is giving me a summary of my case. So that's all about the POC on structured and unstructured responses. Please do like and share this video to reach to more learners. If you have any feedback, please add it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.